Okay, we have stated Ohm's law earlier and we have made circuit diagram for the verification of Ohm's law. Look at this diagram. This diagram consists of a battery having positive and negative terminals, an ammeter, a voltmeter, a resistance, a key, a rheostat. Now see, while drawing this circuit diagram, you have to be very careful with the terminals of the battery. Positive terminal of the battery has to be connected with the positive terminal of ammeter. Then negative terminal of the ammeter is connected to the positive terminal of the voltmeter, and then this one, because resistance and rheostat has no positive and negative terminals, it does not make any difference where do you connect. But for the voltmeter and ammeter, you have to be careful while connecting this with the circuits. There is a key, also it has no positive and negative terminals, you can connect either points here, this or that side, does not make any difference. Now see here, ammeter is in series with the circuit, as we have discussed earlier, voltmeter is in parallel with the circuit. Now we have to measure potential difference across this resistance R. See here, Ohm's law says V is proportional to I. By using rheostat, change the value of resistance and note down the values of V and A. When you note down these two values and draw the graph, you will be getting like this relation. This is V and I. This graph is a straight line. This straight line graph shows V is directly proportional to I. Here we can write I is in ampere if you have measured, or here V is in voltmeter, volts. So this graphical relation explains relation between V and I according to Ohm's law. So if you have done this experiment in the laboratory and getting this relationship with the result, it means Ohm's law is getting verified. V is directly proportional to I. This is very important concept to explain relation between V and I, but I will remind you there is one important condition is again V and is proportional to I only if there are the certain factors remains constant like temperature, length and area of cross section. If you are varying these things, then you will not be getting this is a straight line. So for a given conductor, make all these factors constant and then draw the graph between V and I and study the relationship.